When we talk about military power in South Asia, the air forces of Pakistan and India always come into the spotlight. Both nations have invested heavily in their aerial defense, constantly upgrading fleets, tactics, and technology. But today, we're going to look beyond the surface and dive deep into which country truly holds the edge when it comes to warplanes, and why Pakistan may be standing taller than ever before. India boasts a large inventory of fighter jets, including Russian-made Sukhoi Su-30MKIs, MiG-29s, and Mirage 2000. The Su-30MKI is often showcased as India's pride, a twin-engine air superiority fighter with impressive range and payload. But here's the catch: quantity doesn't always equal quality. Many of India's jets are aging, maintenance-heavy, and technologically outdated. In fact, India has been facing recurring issues with the Su-30s, including high crash rates and delays in upgrades. The result? A big fleet on paper, but one that's often grounded or under repair. Now let's look at Pakistan. The Pakistan Air Force may not match India's fleet size, but it is known for precision, training, and efficiency. One name that's changed the game entirely is the JF-17 Thunder. Co-developed with China, the JF-17 is not just cost-effective, it's fast, nimble, and loaded with modern avionics and weapons systems. Block 3 variants come with AESA radar, infrared search and track, and beyond visual range missiles, technologies that put it on par with fourth-generation Western jets. The real test of air power isn't just the hardware, it's how you use it. And here, Pakistan has proven itself repeatedly. Let's rewind to February 2019, the Balakot incident. After India claimed to carry out an airstrike in Balakot, Pakistan responded the very next day in broad daylight. Not only did the Pakistan Air Force manage to avoid all Indian radar systems, but it also locked on multiple Indian military targets and deliberately missed to send a message. In that same engagement, Pakistan shot down an Indian MiG-21 and captured its pilot, an event that sent shockwaves around the world. It wasn't just a victory, it was a demonstration of strategy, technology, and confidence. Another important aspect is operational readiness. While India struggles with coordination among its services and delayed defense procurement, Pakistan maintains a lean, well-trained, and combat-ready air force. The PAF operates under a doctrine of quick response and agility. Its pilots undergo some of the toughest training in the region and have often been praised in international air exercises. Even in terms of modernization, Pakistan is moving fast. With the induction of the J-10C, a 4.5 generation fighter equipped with active electronically scanned radar, thrust vectoring engines, and long-range PL-15 missiles, the balance of air power is shifting. The J-10C brings capabilities that challenge not just Indian jets, but even Western aircraft like the F-16. And yes, Pakistan already operates F-16s as well, upgraded with modern systems that are fully integrated into its defense network. India, on the other hand, has faced multiple delays in acquiring Rafale jets, and even with their arrival, the numbers are too low to tip the scales. What Pakistan has done smartly is create a compact, interconnected air force built around synergy rather than scattered upgrades. Their aircraft communicate better, integrate with ground systems faster, and are backed by electronic warfare tools that are regionally unmatched. Let's not forget one more thing: drone warfare and surveillance. Pakistan has been steadily developing its UAV capabilities with projects like the Shapar-2 and Barak combat drones. These are already being deployed for both surveillance and strike missions. India has lagged behind in this department, still relying heavily on imports for basic UAV support. So who's more powerful in the skies? If we're just counting jets, India might look stronger. But if we consider efficiency, real combat performance, rapid upgrades, and pilot training, Pakistan emerges as a smarter, more focused air power. In modern warfare, it's not about who has more, it's about who uses what they have better. And time and again, Pakistan has shown that it knows exactly how to win that game.